everyone, welcome back into our Thursday night newscast. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. And boy, it was another beautiful day across the interior. Lots of sunshine, temperatures warming up a little bit from yesterday. We told you about that yesterday. Our photograph for tonight, this one sent in by Private First Class Sean Boyle, was able to capture a typical sundog. We have many of these in the wintertime, but a very nice job of capturing both at the opposite ends of the sun there. And again, nice reflection there. And speaking of photos, it's out. Our new weather calendar for 2015 is out. Many places pick it up at like a Personnel Plus or Kendall Toyota of Fairbanks, and they're all free. How about that? And again, if you want to check that out, be sure and get your free calendar. Here's what's going on as far as our numbers. The almanac looks like this. The high today 21. The low last night was 13. The record high 36. That was in 2002. The record high 37. A record low, I should say, 37 below in 1907. The record high 36 in 2002. Sunrise and sunset about 7 hours and 9 minutes of daylight, a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. Here's our satellite radar. Not a whole lot going on. Most of it, once again, down across the Gulf of Alaska. The Alaska Range blocking everything out like a big wall in the atmosphere, and that is going to continue. The weather pattern is not showing any signs of change right on through the weekend. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, more rain falling around the Juneau area, 40 degrees there, and also raining in Ketchikan, 39. Some showers reported around Kodiak and showers in the Anchorage Bowl, 30 degrees there. Clear skies along the Aleutian Chain. Clear to partly cloudy skies up and down the west coast. Cloudy skies at Barrow, 1 degree, and Fort Yukon clear and 9 degrees above. Lower 48 weather. Well, the rains have finally stopped over the Pacific Northwest. How about that? In fact, nice weather all the way down the western half of the country as high pressure begins to build in. More showers around the Minneapolis area, right on back into places like Omaha and Lincoln, Nebraska. Over the deep south, it's once again very warm, 70 degrees in Dallas. Some showers around the New York area, 52, and clear to partly cloudy skies over the Florida Peninsula. On the satellite radar, you can see an area of low pressure once again spinning counterclockwise on the east coast, bringing the showers there. And over the Pacific Northwest, we have a lot of activity moving across, but a little bit of a breather before the next storm comes in. And speaking of cold temperatures, look at the cold air expected to move in across much of the eastern half of the country later on, first part of next week into the middle of next week. As you can see, very cold temperatures. And the jet stream, once again, looking at very warm and dry conditions over the western half of the country. Just the opposite over the east as more snow shower activity moves across from the Great Lakes. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like. Over the northern sections, mostly sunny skies at Barrow and Fort Yukon, cloudy skies for Nome. Temperatures fairly chilly. Over the interior, another great day. Lots of clear skies for Fairbanks and Haley. Partly cloudy skies at Delta Junction. Over southeast Alaska, the rain should be coming to an end, although it's heavy rain still in Ketchikan, but mainly just cloudy skies at Juneau. While out to the southwest, we're looking at, for the most part, cloudy skies at Bethel, rain and snow in Cold Bay, and rain expected for Kodiak Island. And if you're heading on down to the Anchorage Bowl, cloudy skies expected at Anchorage, some light snow for Valdez, and rain and snow in Homer. All right, time once again for our kids' weather. All this week we've been talking with the kids from Denali Elementary School, but tonight, here's the teacher.
Hi, I'm Jen Wallace, and this is my 4th grade class here at Denali Elementary, and we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that even though the sky is blue on Earth, on Mars, the sky is pink? It's yellow on Venus and black on the moon.
I don't think the kids really cared about the weather fact. They just wanted to be on TV, obviously. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And next week, we're going to have the kids from Hunter Elementary here to visit with us. Well, it is a Thursday night, which means it's time for our road conditions. Brought to you by Jose Body and Paint and the Department of Transportation and Public Safety for the state of Alaska, and the Dalton Elliott highways, ice patches, dry surfaces, some drifting of snow too. Keep that in mind. If you're heading on down the Steeson-Richardson Highway, slippery road surfaces with icy patches. It's basically the same thing all the way around. In the Parks Highway, areas of ice, slick spots, and on some of the long stretches there, watch out for the reflection of the sun on the ice. That can be very blinding, obviously. And again, our forecast for tonight, looking at clear skies, continued quite chilly. 4 degrees below zero. Once again, a chance for some auroras, about a 3 on the scale of 7. And as far as our forecast for tomorrow, 20 degrees, another bright, sunny day, but a little warmer than today. That's good news. The 5-day outlook calling for temperatures to warm up nicely for Sunday, Monday, even into Tuesday and Wednesday. Overnight lows will also be in the teens as we look for temperatures to continue to be very, very comfortable, where they could be actually very cold this time of year. But we are looking at no precipitation in the forecast. No snow. That's amazing how long we've gone. This is a pretty good drought.